I'm mad all this.
You got a
time.
baby or not? You got a baby or not?
We'll discuss this later, alright? What up guys, it's your boy Jessie and I'm back with another prank. You guys, this may be the most epic prank I've done to Whitney thus far. This might change the way we prank each other. I'm telling you, that's how crazy this prank is. My cousin Jasmine asked me to come to her house and put her mirror on her dresser for her. Now my cousin Jasmine and her best friend Kanisha can be childish, and that's perfect because I can be childish too. And when you put all these childish people in one room together, this is what you get. Alright, let's get straight to it, y'all. Pray for me though. Definitely pray for me, y'all. Pray for me, okay? This is wild. But like I said, let's get to it. Let's see what happens.
So what you gonna do?
Well, she want me to hook this mirror up. I gotta make sure I got the right screws for it. So right now, I'm just checking to see if I got the right screws. Make sure I got the right screws.
It's a whole. What size TV you think this is?
I don't know.
Cause this ain't like the same size as ours.
It's probably 49.
Like a 50-inch.
49. I think it's 49, yeah.
You ain't got no chair in your bedroom? A chair? Yeah, so I can sit down and watch TV.
For sleeping, but the bed is for sitting.
I just don't be like just sitting on people's bed without their permission. So.
You don't got no big screws?
I got a screw that I got from them. I got that.
So the part you talking about with the bed, I got these screws might work, but they're not what it's meant for.
If they don't work, it don't matter because I'm going to get a bed set away.
Okay.
I'm getting on.
Alright.
But I do want that up.
Alright, got you.
Jesse,
What up?
what's up? Did you tell her? Did you tell her?
Tell her what?
So you ain't tell her?
Look, not right now, alright?
You ain't tell her?
Not right now.
Do you want to do it now?
Not right now. Okay?
Do you want to do it now?
Not
Or do you want me to do it?
Not right now.
Which one you want to do?
Listen. You haven't listened.
Do you want to tell her or do you want me to tell her? What's going on?
I told you to do this while we was at work, Jesse.
What's going on?
Nothing. Nothing going on.
So what you talking about?
Nothing. Nothing going on right now.
So it's still nothing going on? What's going on, Jessie?
I'm going to get out of here.
Why you ain't tell me she was over here right now?
God, that's my right to work.
So what's going on?
Nothing. Not good. Just
It can't be nothing if she's saying it's something you need to tell me. So what is it?
we'll talk about it later.
No, we ain't gonna talk about it later.
No, we're gonna talk about it now while she's here. You were supposed to be here a long time ago, right?
And what's that?
You need me to tell her?
Jessie, I'm talking to you.
Look.
And I'm trying not to get off this bed.
Look. Look.
Do you need me
Look
to tell her?
what?
It ain't even. Listen.
So you still ain't gonna take care of your responsibility?
What
We
responsibility?
were supposed to leave before y'all got here.
What was she talking about?
Nothing.
And you steady saying nothing.
We didn't never take the DNA test. So,
DNA test for what?
alright, so, look, I was going to talk to you eventually, but I didn't think I had to. I thought maybe you had this.
You was gonna talk to me eventually about what?
Nothing.
Don't fucking touch me. What the fuck you? Don't touch me. Don't touch me, cause I'm about to sock you in your motherfucking face. DNA about what?
Can we wait till the big get fixed?
DNA about what,
Can
Jessie?
he finish the mirror first? He been waiting on this mirror situation for a minute now. Can we do the mirror
DNA
first?
about what?
Listen, before
DNA about
before
what?
me and you was talking.
The mirror.
Alright? Before me and you was talking. We was friends. And some things happened. And she has a son now. And it could be mine.
And you knew about this. So you knew about this.
I knew about it, but I didn't think.
And we married. What's this? And you didn't tell me nothing about it. You wait until now for somebody else to come up here and tell me some shit that my husband was supposed to fucking tell me.
Why you choose right now?
Why you choose to wait so long?
So that's you got a kid.
Look. I don't know for sure.
You
It's
got a
big
kid.
chance, but I don't know for
And
sure.
you know that I want a baby so bad. And you sitting out
Listen,
here doing all
babe,
this
babe,
grimy shit.
babe, relax, all right? Relax.
You got a kid, yes or no? Because she's saying something different.
I'm just really worried about the mirror getting put up. I've been waiting a long time for him to come fix my mirror.
This is more
So you knew about this? Because that's your friend, ain't it?
That's my cousin first.
I don't give a fuck about that. You knew about it,
She's
right?
my cousin before she's my friend.
But you knew about it.
That ain't my business to tell. No, none of that business.
But you knew about it though.
I mean, yeah, I know the kid.
You know the kid and you know they was fucking.
Before I didn't even knew about it.
It
I didn't
don't
even know y'all ain't got married. It just came upon me.
Don't.
Listen, relax, okay? You tripping.
You got a kid or no?
Yes.
60, 80,
You got a
90,
kid or no?
20, 60, 80, 90, 20.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
How is he?
I'm
Like
fucking
two?
talking to you. I'm
Like
fucking
two?
talking to you. I'm talking to you.
How long y'all been married? Maybe a year now?
We're married for 3 years.
I'm really
This
trying
ain't
my
my
best
business no more.
not to fuck you up right now.
What you mad at
Can you
me
wait
for?
till he done with the mirror?
What you mad at me for?
What you mean? Why she mad at you?
We married, Jessie.
I'm mad at all
Okay.
you.
And you
Mommy
didn't
shows
tell
right
me that
now.
you had a baby. She's saying that you got a baby by her or something. And you didn't tell me that. You failed to tell me that over the 3 years we've been married. You did not tell me that. And you want to know why I'm fucking mad?
I'm mad all this
You got a
coming out of
baby
my
or
mirror.
not? You got a
Discuss
baby
this
or
later.
not?
We'll discuss this later, alright? We'll
You
discuss
said
this
you
later.
want to postpone this shit.
Jesse, you got a baby or not?
So is you gonna take care of your
The TV
responsibility?
is right
You got a
there.
baby or not?
Relax,
That's it.
relax.
You got a baby.
Alright, relax.
The TV. Damn! The TV is right there.
You got a baby or not?
Hold on.
You got a baby or
That's a
not?
brand new TV behind
Relax,
y'all.
alright?
Get off of me.
Relax.
I
okay?
Get off of
don't
me,
take
Jessie.
nothing but cash.
Get off of me. Get off of me.
Relax. okay? Give me a
Get
second,
off of
alright?
me.
Can you
Let us
wait till he
finish
finish with the mirror now?
Jasmine,
Right,
shut up
right.
right now, okay?
Can
Because
you just wait till he done with the mirror? Like, I've been waiting a long time for this.
you got a baby or not. Take your hands off of me.
Give me a second, okay?
You got a baby or not?
Let me talk to her real quick about it. Okay?
So you gonna talk to her before you talk to your fucking wife?
You just gotta get this figured out.
This fucking conversation is 3 years over fucking due. And you wanna talk to her before you fucking talk to me? Ain't shit funny. Get the fuck off of me. Get the fuck off of me.
It's a prank. It's a prank, alright? It's a prank. Good job.
She was finna lose a tear.
Y'all funny, man.
Hi, Whitney.
Look, baby, it's Frank.
Jessie was almost about to be on the
Girl, the TV.
Y'all funny, though.
She was
Babe.
a dog in.
Look. Look, it's a prank. You gotta get over it. Look.
Why would you do that? Why would you do that to me?
2-8, smile for the camera.
Right,
You knew that wasn't going down in my house.
Y'all funny. I was like, hold on, how old is the baby? You said 2. I said,
You said 2.
I wanted to go a little farther with it, but I'm like, nah.
She was
She was ready to knock me the
stop.
fuck out.
Uh-huh.
And I was gonna need cash for the
I was
TV.
finna say, look. Look, I was finna say, we decided not to talk about it. You said if I pay you, it was good. Man, she would have been so bad. I was like, nah, I'm good.
All I cared about was the TV in the mirror.
I'm sorry.
We still cool? She said, no, fuck you.
I'm sorry. Why you gotta be acting like this in front of people?
It's okay, we saw it.
Got you.
This is some bullshit.
Y'all funny.
If the tear would have came out, you would have been in some shit. Because I felt I was looking at her eyes, so she could have cried. You know what?
Alright, y'all, if y'all think I got her, let me know. Comment below. If we went too far, let me know. So, my cousin and her best friend. Alright, y'all. Whitney, you good, babe?
I'm good.
Alright.
Say now I'm good.
I'm good now.
She said, I'm gonna fucking talk to me.
So if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and you'll have good luck for the rest of the year. Alright, y'all, until next time.
I wanted to fuck.
Wait, y'all already know what time it is. It is motivational quote of the day. Alright? Motivational quote. You cannot love someone else until you love you first. Alright? Self-love. Self-love is the key to everything. Once you love you, so many things will just come in place for you. So many things will happen to your relationships where other people will go well. Your relationship at work will go well. Your relationships with your family will go well. But you have to learn how to love you first. You can't love someone else if you don't even know how to love yourself. So sometimes you just need to take a break. Figure out who you are. Think about it. Your name. For example, me. I would think, what do Jessie want? I want you to say it to yourself, but use your name in the place of it. What do I want for me, for my life, for my future? What do I want? Don't get me wrong. You put God first. God is always first, and then you are second. God take care of everything that's after him. You put him first, you put you second. Learn how to love yourself, guys, alright? Self-love is so important, it's so essential. Try it out. Love yourself and see how things change for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you haven't already, comment. Let us know what you think. You guys stay smooth, stay blessed, alright? We love those who love us. Until next time, be smooth.